Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a Shopify store on mobile. So this is a basic and easy tutorial on how to set up a Shopify store on mobile. So first, if you're using Android, go to your Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, go to your App Store and then search for Shopify app. Something like that, and you will see this Shopify, your e-commerce store. So what you're going to do is you have to install this one, wait for a couple of seconds as it's processing. Once done, you can now open this application. So this is a Shopify e-commerce, and this is where you're going to set up your store. So yes, it's easy to set up a Shopify store on mobile. All you have to do here is click this get started. As you can see, start selling online with Shopify. You can create your online store, grow your audience, manage from everywhere. If you have an account, then click login. But since this is a step-by-step tutorial, so let's tap get started. So which one of this or any of this best describes you? So let's just say I'm just starting. You have two options, so I'm going to click the first one, tap next. Actually, you can skip this part. I just want to show you the step-by-step procedure. Now, where would you like to sell? You have options here, but I'm going to click this an online store. You could also choose social media, in person, but for me, I want to tap the first one. So what do you sell? Products I buy or make myself, digital products, drop shipping services, and so on. So let me click the first one here. And then where's your business located? So you have to select or look for your original country here. And as you can see, in order for you to start, you need to log in or sign up using your Google account. So for me, the easiest way is to connect my Google account, and then once done, it will take you directly to building your store. Okay, here, this is the home page. If you tap this at three lines, then you will see this option, customers, analytics, marketing, online store, and so on. So if you click this online store right here, this is what it looks like. You can select a theme, for example, Spotlight. That is our theme for our online store. If you want to edit, just tap edit. If you want this password protection, just toggle this one on. To go back, just tap this three lines. This time, let's go to settings. Here in settings, you can manage your store notifications, account notifications, security, general, plan, billing, payments, checkout, shipping and delivery, taxes and duties, location, markets, apps and sales channels, domains, languages, and so on. Now, if you look at your plan, just click this plan right here and you will see your current plan. If you want to choose another plan, just click choose plan here. Go back. If you tap this billing, then you will see your current billing cycle. Okay, if you want to add a payment method, you can click this one. You can add your PayPal or your credit card or your debit card. You can also see your past bills here and all your subscriptions, but right now we're using the trial version. So just go to billing if you want to see your current billing cycle. Now talking about shipping and delivery. Okay, so shipping and delivery refer to the process involved in getting products from your store to your customers. So these processes are crucial in ensuring a smooth and reliable shopping experience. Here you can set shipping rates, shipping methods, and for delivery, if you want to offer delivery to customers in your immediate area, you can offer local delivery, pickup options, and you can also set your expectations for delivery times. For apps and sales, you'll see your online store and point of sales. Okay, so go back. If you want to tap this Shopify admin, well, basically, Shopify admin is the backend dashboard where store owners manage all aspects of their Shopify store. So if you want to see the dashboard overview of your orders, products, customers, analytics, and reports, you can go to your Shopify admin and then confirm your account right here. So this is the account that I'm using, and you can just simply go to other features here like policies and payments checkout to add more information about your online store. Now let's go back and let's start adding a product to our online store. So as you can see here, if you want to start your online store, there is a process here. First, you need to add your first product, customize your online store, and so on. So first, let's tap this adding our first product right here. So let's start with product title. So for example, I will be selling vintage shoes. Okay. And then here you can add description. So let me tap add description right here. For example, selling authentic vintage shoes. For example, like that. You can edit the format here, bold, italic, and so on. So once you're done, then what you're going to do is you have to click this check icon at the top right corner. So as you can see here, the category just added automatically. You can set an amount for that. You can edit sales channels, or you can save this. Now below you can see here inventory. Okay, so you can change here, for example, if you want to add more or specific information for the age group. Okay, you can tap this one for the color. If you want to tell your customer a specific color that you're selling, so you can see that you are selling brown colors, or let's just say black shoes, black vintage shoes. Everything is up to you. All you have to do is to add it right here. Same thing with the ages. You can be very specific with this, and other meta fields here. So all you have to do is to scroll down and then add information. Target gender, you can change this one for type, vendor, and you can also add tags. Now once you're done, what you're going to do is click this check icon at the top right corner. Now it's saving all changes right here. So going back, as you can see, you have added your product already, and you have finished the first step here, which is to add your first product. Now you just have to simply follow all the steps here to build your Shopify store. Now let's go first to this second option right here, which is the order. Okay, so in Shopify, an order is the record of a purchase made by a customer from your online store. It contains important details like the product purchase, customer information, shipping address, payment details, and the status of the order. For products, you can see here all products, collections, inventory, purchase orders, gift card, and so on. So basically, as you can see, we have added one product, which I have showed you earlier. If you want to add more, just click this plus icon, add product, or create collection. So if you tap this customize your online store, it will take you directly to your online store, and this is what it looks like. You will see here the first product that you have just added, and you can just simply edit this, edit the theme, edit your store name. So in order for you to change, just go back to your home page and then simply follow the step and instruction. But basically, this is what it looks like if you have created your first store here in Shopify. So for example, if you want to change the name of your store, okay, so I'm going to change this to Vintage with Me. And then after that, click this check icon at the top right corner. You can also add store phone if you want. So once you're done, okay, for example, done with adding name to your store, you will see this check icon right here. And then just add information for the rest to set up a good online store here on your Shopify. Once you're done adding information to your home page, then you can go to your online store. So that's how easy it is. All you have to do is to install this one, okay, connect to your Google account or create an account, and then you just have to follow the steps right here, like adding your first product, customize your online store, adding name to your store, okay, you need to add shipping rates, and so on. But basically, that's how easy it is to set up Shopify store on mobile. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.